Students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class, B.Ed 4th semester. We will discuss the topic ecotourism in creating environment management. Ecotourism defined as ecotourism as ecotourism is now defined as responsible travel to natural areas that conserve the environment, sustains the well-being of the local people, and involves interpretations of and educations. Okay, education is meant to be inclusive of both staff and guest. Principles of ecotourism. Ecotourism is about uniting conservations, communities, and sustainable travels. This means that those who implement, participate, and market ecotourism activities should adopt the following ecotourism principles: minimize physical, social, behavior, and physiological, psychological impacts. Next, world environments and cultural awareness and respects. Next principle, provide positive experience for both visitors and host. Next, provide direct financial benefits for conservations and generate financial benefits for both local people and private industries. Next, deliver memorable interpretative experience to visitors that help raise sensitivity to host countries, political, environmental, and social climates. Okay, conservation offering market linked long term solutions. Ecotourism provides effective economic incentives for conserving and enhancing biocultural diversity and helps provide the natural and cultural heritage of our beautiful planet. Okay, interpretation with an emphasis of enriching personal experiences and environmental awareness through interpretations. Ecotourism promotes greater understanding and appreciations for nature, local society, and culture. Okay. Segments of ecotourism: ecotourism in wildlife, eco adventure travels, sustainable tourism, responsible tourism, nature based travels, green travels, and cultural tourism. Ecotourism in wildlife. Wildlife tourism can be an eco and animal friendly tourism, usually showing animals in their natural habitats. Wildlife tourism, in its simplest sense, is watching wild animals in their natural habitats. Okay. Next, eco adventure travels. Eco adventure is the combination of adventurous activities with environmentally responsible awareness. Sustainable tourism, any form of tourism that does not reduce the availability of resources and does not inhibit future travels from enjoying the same experience. If the presence of a large number of tourists disturbs an animal's mating patterns so that there are favor of that species in the future, then what visit that visit was not sustainable. Okay, responsible tourism, tourism which operates in such a way as to minimize negative impact on the environment. A wilderness camping trip using leave no trace ethics would be considered responsible tourism, while dune buggy tours would not. Nature based tourism, a more generic term for any activity or travel experience with a focus on nature. Remote jungle lodge fall into this category, as do cruise ships to view penguins in Atlantica. These type of trips may or may not be environmentally sustainability or responsible. Green tourism, often used interchangeably with ecotourism and sustainable tourism, but more accurately described as any activity operating in an environmentally friendly fashions. Cultural tourism, interacting with, understanding and learning about unique cultures, is the focus on this cycle of style of trip. The concept of learning from other cultures to broaden one's perspectives is usually a core value. Okay. Next, natural resources management. Natural resources management can be utilized as the specialized tool for the development of ecotourism. These are several places throughout the wood where the amount of natural resources and abundance, but with human encroachments and habitats, these resources are depleting. Without knowing the proper utilization of certain resources, they are destroyed and floral and faunal species are becoming extinct. Ecotourism programs can be introduced for the conservation of these resources. Several plans and proper management programs can be introduced so that these resources remains untouched. Thank you.